Section 1. The first 5 minutes. Do they really matter? What if I told you that the first 5 minutes of your day could change everything? It might sound crazy, but it's true. How you start your morning sets the tone for the entire day. A positive and productive morning leads to a more successful and fulfilling day. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? It all starts with a simple yet powerful morning routine. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's how we use those hours that makes the difference. By taking just 5 minutes each morning to focus on yourself, you can boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and improve your mood. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and excited to face the day. Instead of hitting the snooze button, you jump out of bed with purpose. This can be your reality with a simple 5-minute morning routine. Are you ready to discover the transformative power of a 5-minute morning routine? Let's dive in. Section 2. Unlock your potential, a 5-minute morning routine. Imagine this. A simple 5-minute routine that can change your life. This isn't about complicated rituals or strict schedules, it's about taking a few moments for yourself before the day begins. This 5-minute routine is designed to help you start your day with intention and purpose. By focusing on your well-being, you'll feel more energized, focused, and prepared to handle anything that comes your way. The key is consistency. In the next section, we'll explore some common morning struggles and how this routine can help you overcome them. Section 3. The struggle is real chaos in the AM. Let's face it, mornings can be tough. The alarm goes off and we often hit the snooze button multiple times. We rush through our morning routines feeling stressed and overwhelmed. We start the day feeling behind before we even begin. We're constantly bombarded with distractions, emails, social media, and the demands of work and family. This constant rushing and stress takes a toll on our physical and mental health. We may experience fatigue, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating, but what if there was a better way? The answer lies in a simple yet powerful solution: a structured morning routine. Section 4. A better way to begin. Benefits of a morning ritual. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm and purpose, instead of stress and chaos. A structured morning routine can provide just that. It's about taking a few moments for yourself before the day's demands take over. By incorporating simple practices into your morning routine, you can experience a range of benefits. You'll boost your energy levels, improve your focus and concentration, and enhance your emotional well-being. A morning routine helps to reduce stress and anxiety. When you take time for yourself, you're better equipped to handle challenges that arise throughout the day. By prioritizing your well-being in the morning, you're setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. This simple act of self-care can have a profound impact on your overall health and happiness. Section 5. 5 minutes to success. Your step-by-step guide. Ready to transform your mornings? Here's a simple 5-minute routine that can make a world of difference. Minute 1. Stretch and breathe. Start your day by gently stretching your body. Reach for the sky, lengthen your spine, and take deep breaths. This helps to increase blood flow, awaken your muscles, and calm your mind. Minute 2. Hydrate. Drink a large glass of water to rehydrate your body after sleep. Water is essential for energy production, detoxification, and overall health. Minute 3. Gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the good things in your life. Think about 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Minute 4. Set intentions. What do you want to achieve today? Set clear intentions for the day ahead. Minute 5. Visualize success. Close your eyes and visualize yourself successfully navigating the day ahead. Section 6. Transforming your day, one morning at a time. Imagine a day where you feel energized, focused, and in control. A day where you're able to tackle challenges with ease and approach everything with a positive attitude. The beauty of this 5-minute routine is that it's adaptable to your individual needs and preferences. You can customize it to include activities that resonate with you, whether it's listening to uplifting music, practicing meditation, or reading a few pages of an inspiring book. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice this routine, the more natural it will become, and the more you'll experience its transformative effects. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards a more fulfilling and successful life by implementing this 5-minute morning routine. Your future self will thank you.